OnePlus launched OnePlus 15 globally last month. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 16. First of all, talk about the build quality and design. OnePlus 15 come with the very beautiful design with the excellent build quality. OnePlus keeping the design module on the OnePlus 15 to OnePlus 16. The phone also come with a square camera module. People like OnePlus 15 design and the OnePlus also keeping the design to OnePlus 16. OnePlus 16 also come with a square camera design and the device also come with more rounded corner. The device also come with IP68 and IP69K dust and water resistant. Moving to the display, the OnePlus 15 come with 1.5K resolution panel compared to OnePlus 13 2K resolution panel. So in the display department, the OnePlus 15 is slightly downgrade. But next year, OnePlus 16 come with 2K resolution panel with 6.78-inch LTPO 1 big color AMOLED panel with 165Hz refresh rate. On the performance sector, the smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 SoC with 24GB RAM and up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.1. Now talk about the camera section. The phone comes with a triple 50 megapixel sensor, main camera, telephoto lens and ultra wide and 32 megapixel selfie camera. On the battery department, the OnePlus 16 comes with massive 8000 plus battery with 120 watt fast charging and 80 watt wireless charging supported. So that's all about the leaks and rumors about the OnePlus 16. Let me know in the comment what you think about the OnePlus 16. And are you still buying OnePlus 15? Let me know in the comment. Okay, that's all about today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.